Confidence is not a substitute for clarity. You need clarity to be successful, not confidence. Confidence means where there is no clarity, you made up something in your mind to feel bullish. That's not the way to success. Well, that could succeed sometimes, when with absolute confidence if you walk through, maybe you will not sink. But confidence without clarity is a disastrous process. Unfortunately, so-called influencers, coaches, people who are training people in management and other things, trying to build confidence, especially if you are a leader of people, extremely important that you have clarity, not confidence. Confidence means you have the courage to step into empty places. Confidence means you have the propensity to step into pitfalls. When you have the position of a leader, you have no business to do that. This whole business of confidence without clarity comes from a religious basis where people believe that if they believe something, it will happen. Well, it is like flipping of a coin. If you believe it will be heads, it will be heads 50% of the time. If you're only successful 50% of the time, the only two professions left for you is you can either become a weatherman or an astrologer. These days, something more than 50% is even expected of a weatherman, so there's only one left for you.